Meanwhile, DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman has a clarification on the budget allocation for the Conditional Cash Transfer Program. Secretary Soliman says the cash grants for the CCT program will not be reduced despite the cuts implemented on the CCT allocation. She said only the CCT implementing costs or the fund for the salaries of additional CCT program personnel have been reduced.
Gusto kong ipanagin, hindi nabawasan ang cash grants na conditional cash transfer or na Pagkawin-Pamilyang Pilipino program. Ang binawasan ay yung implementing cost, which means yung cost para i-deliver yung service, yun ang binawasan. In other words, yung binawas is against us, our capacity to spend for additional personnel ay nabawas. Which means, yung mga tao namin ngayong nag-i-implement, matadagdagan ang